Hello, friends. Today is our class number 24, and in this class, we will learn about the Rotate and Reflect tools. Let's move to the toolbar. Here you can see this tool, which has two options. One is the Rotate tool, and the second is the Reflect tool. Today, we will learn both of them. This is a shape. First, select the shape, then choose the Rotate tool. You will see a plus sign appear. This is called the reference point. You can click anywhere to move this reference point, and it will shift to that position. Now, when you move or rotate the object, you'll notice that the object rotates around this reference point, like this.
Now, let's take one object and use the Rotate tool to place its reference point according to our needs. While placing the reference point, hold the Alt key and then click. As soon as you click, a pop-up window will appear. Here, we need to set the angle, which means we have to tell the software how many copies we want. So, we enter the required value. After that, click on Copy. You can see that the software has created a duplicate copy. Now keep pressing Ctrl+D and it will continue creating more copies in the same pattern, like this.
The Reflect tool works in a similar way. It also creates copies. Here you can see a leaf shape. Select the Reflect tool, then place its reference point where you want. After placing the reference point, hold Alt and click. A pop-up window will appear. From here, you can choose the axis, horizontal, vertical, or a custom angle, and then click on Copy. As you can see, it creates a mirrored copy of the leaf. Now, let's create a design. First, we duplicate this leaf and place it on the circle. After that, select the Rotate tool, set the reference point properly, and then create multiple copies of the leaf. As you can see, once the copies are created, our design is ready.